Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally folding these clothes. They've been sitting up a whole week since I last washed them. Yep, a whole week, y'all. I washed and dried these clothes last Saturday and today Friday, and by the time this video get uploaded, it'll be Saturday again. So yeah, the struggle is real. I'm guilty. I'm guilty as charged to let my clothes just sit around after I'm done washing. Reason one, we live upstairs on the top floor, and we don't have a wash and dry. We don't have a wash and dry connection. We just got the laundry center, and I barely even used it. I may have used it maybe 3 or 4 times since I been here because it's too small. So I just rather just take all my clothes up to the bigger laundry because you can wash more loads. And the washer I use, it holds a lot of clothes. You can wash literally probably 3 weeks worth of clothes, but I don't let mine get that far behind. I try not to, because that'll be like doing too much. The longest I done let mine pile up maybe was like 2 weeks, and that's when they was in school. Because when they in school, like, my kids mess up so many clothes, y'all, it's ridiculous. They just come home and just throw clothes in the dirty pile. And when they're in school, I have to wash and buy more clothes because they're not in uniform. So now that they're out of school, I don't have to wash as much. And this is like just a little small load compared to what is really like. And they already done picked out some of their clothes anyway, because it's been sitting out for a whole week since we last washed. So, and normally, y'all, when I wash clothes, within 2 or 3 days, it's back full again. The dirty pile is back full again. So it's like, it's never ending. It's like laundry is like one of those never ending cycles. So I already know the struggle that some of y'all are going through, because I've seen a lot of videos where y'all are struggling with laundry. So I'm one of them. I'm guilty as well. So I'm getting ready to head out for work, so I'm not gonna be able to put them away. I just wanted to show y'all me folding them up, and basically how I deal with my laundry. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna leave them in the basket. So when it comes to like my comforters and sheets and stuff, I try to wash them separate, and not with the regular clothes, because the regular clothes by themselves is already a headache. So I just try to put them off on another time, because the struggle of living upstairs and having to haul all those clothes, even though my kids, they big enough to help me with hauling the clothes, it still be hectic. That's why once we get home from washing, I just leave them in the bag, and we kind of like have to pick through the clothes as we go, like for that day. And we have to try to find the towels that be maybe at the bottom of the bag and all that. So it's kind of crazy. So that's basically the way we do it. I don't really have a laundry routine, but I guess you could call it a laundry routine, because that's basically the way that I've been doing it lately. So and like I say, when it is time for me to put the clothes up, when I'm tired of them just sitting around, I just dump them in the floor, and they get their clothes, I get mine, and I just put away my clothes in the wash towel. So I'm trying to do better, and try to find a good routine I can stick with. But lately, this is just the way we've been doing it. So y'all, when it comes to like folding these socks, it's like never a match to them. Like, where's the other match? Like, I don't know. Like this one, like one sock longer than the other one. Like, how? I don't understand. You can never find the other match to it. But I ain't even finna worry about it. I'm finna just go and finish folding these clothes. So I do plan on, doing a full day in the life of doing laundry, washing, at the laundromat, drying, and come home and, putting them away. So I'm going to attempt to put them away. But yeah, that's what I plan to do. All right, y'all. So that's about it. I'm just packing everything in this laundry basket, and I'm gonna sit it to the side because I'm getting ready to, go to work. So they all folded and separated. So that's about it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure you, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. So that's about it. I'll be chatting with y'all in my next one.